So I wanted to make this quick video of how do we compost our kitchen scraps directly into our raised bed garden beds. You can see this is a tote full of our kitchen scraps. I keep it in them there so there are no rodents taking them out or making a home in it. You can see all kind of kitchen scraps in there. So what I do is I just dig a hole directly in the garden bed. So this used to be a row which housed eggplants last year, and this year they will house cucumbers, and we have still about month and a half until we direct sow them, so that will be good enough. And we don't mind about the earth settling itself. It's not that fast, so there's no damage to roots or the plant itself. I compost directly into the bed, and I think it's the best way rather than the tumblers or a compost pile. You don't want to step after you have put all the scraps in on top of it, because there is air in the soil which helps bacteria which use oxygen to compost. So now I've dumped everything into this hole I dug. I'm just gonna cover it with the soil and wait for the rain to settle down the earth on it, and it will be good to go in a month or two. So it has been a mound, earth mound on top of the compost pile, and come May, late May, I'll just dig a little bit, make it a raised garden bed, and direct sow my cucumbers on top of it, and hopefully I'll be able to see and show you my yield come late June or July. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Actually, it is cloudy and we're expecting rain.